Your PC shows errors, freezes, or restarts suddenly. But do you know Windows already records everything? Windows Event Viewer is a built-in tool that keeps a log of all system activities, errors, warnings, and security events. When something goes wrong, Event Viewer tells you what happened, when it happened, and why it happened. Right-click the Start button and click Event Viewer, or press Windows key plus X, then select Event Viewer. Inside Event Viewer, you'll see application logs for app errors, system logs for hardware and OS issues, security logs for login and security activity. Information means normal activity, warning means a potential issue, error means something failed and needs attention. If your PC crashes or an app doesn't open, Event Viewer helps IT admins find the exact reason. Always check the event ID and timestamp before searching for a solution online. Event Viewer is your system's black box. Learn to read it and you'll fix problems faster. Like, share, and follow for more easy Windows and IT tips.